Magandang araw po ulit and welcome to another video. And this video is about unboxing, a printer unboxing. No? So we bought a new printer para sa schooling ng aking anak and i-unbox lang po natin in this video. And at the same time while unboxing, let's have some run through or yung basic specifications ng printer na to, kung ano yung mga nasa box no, na details, and then let's see kung ano yung inside. So before we unbox it actually, so just a run through ng mga basic specifications ng printer. So this printer is an Epson printer na ecotank L3216. Okay, so this is a continuous ink system yung ginagamit niya. And then it also has the capability ng copy, fax, at the same time yung printing capability. So, ano pa ba yung nasa likod? So, as you can see from the box, and ito yung mga sample inks na ginagamit. And at the same time, this printer comes with a 2 years warranty or 80,000 pages na na-print, whichever comes first. Okay, so what else? So from the side, nabanggit natin kanina yung capability that ito yung 3-in-1 printer, no? So it has the print, copy, and scan na capability. And then this printer has a dimension of 179 millimeters. Yung kanyang lapad is 347 millimeters. And then yung kanyang haba is about 375 millimeters. So, hindi po yun yung yung actual printer, not yung box yung nilagyan ko na. So, sige, simulan na natin yung unboxing. Actual unboxing ng ating printer. So, nabili ko lang po itong printer na to online dahil nag-sale na naman si Lazada at nabudol na naman tayo. Pero syempre, kailangan na rin kasi nung anak, since nung anak ko is mag-start na nung kanyang schooling. So, as a requirement dun sa mga school, may mga activities na kapag may estudyante ka talaga, most of the time kailangan mo talaga ng printer. Para at least malaking tulong na yon to cover their assignments. Aha, ano ba to? Ayaw, yun! So, ito yung mga items na meron dun sa box. Kita nyo pa ba ako dyan? So, sa loob ng box, meron po tayong makikita na tago na ako rito So, we have here yung kanyang driver, yung installer na naka-CD pa rin, no? So, in spite of the years, no, 2022 na, pero yung mga manufacturers, they still manufacture yung drivers nila with a CD. Although most of the builds right now, no, parang madalang na tayo makita ng CD-ROM or ng DVD-ROM. So, I'm not sure if this is still usable. Since wala naman din CD-ROM yung build natin, so most likely baka mag-download nila ako ng driver dun sa internet. Visit ko na lang yung EPSON site and then look for the compatible driver para dun sa ating printer. No? So siguro mas maganda kung gagawin ng mga manufacturers na instead of CD-ROM, since madalang na rin kasi to, so baka mas maganda naka-USB na lang din, no? Yung drivers ng mga equipment na gagawin. But still, yun, it comes with a CD-ROM driver, and we also have here yung user's manual. Ayan. So naka-indicate dito yung different series ng ating Epson printers and how to use it, and ito meron dito sa loob aside from that driver. Okay, so yun lang. So yung driver, then yung kanyang user manual. Nandiyan yung mga instructions, how to refill yung ink, kung paano gamitin. Babasahin na lang natin ito kapag set up na natin yung printer. Okay, so dyan ka muna. And then, there's also the warranty card. Okay, so if in case na magkaroon ng issue, ito yung warranty card niya. And then, inside the actual box is, tatayo na ako. Sana makikita pa ako dyan. Pero, here, ano ba natin ito tatanggalin? Sige, ito muna. So, ito yung kanyang inks na included. So, isang set ng ink na gagamitin natin siguro later as we use this printer para ma-refill yung ating mismo printer. No? So, yung ka muna ink. Then, what else do we have here? yung kanyang printer cable. No? So, ito yung cable to connect the printer dun sa ating PC using a USB 2.0. Okay? And then, what else? So, yan, makawala na rin dito. So, let's try to pull the actual unit itself. Saan ba ito hinahawakan? Okay. Meron siyang karton. Tanggalin natin yung karton. And then, let's pull the printer outside the box. Remove this cover. Okay. Remove the other cover. Styro. And then, let's try to move. Meron pa pala, no? Aside dun sa USB cable, so ito naman yung kanyang power cable. Okay? To connect, or yun, para magkaroon ng power yung ating printer na nakasaksak sa ating electrical outlet. So, removing the box. Diyan ka muna sa baba. Okay? So, ito na po yung itsura ng ating mismong printer. So, naka-plastic pa rin siya. Let's try to remove it from the plastic. So, yung pinili kong model ng printer, no, is yung white na rin, to match na rin yung color scheme ng ating PC build. So, yung PC build ko kasi is naka-white. Merong isa nito na black yung kulay. So, I'm not sure kung anong difference, pero siguro yung color lang, no? Kasi this one is L3216, pero yung black color nito is L3210. So, I'm not sure of the specific changes nun, pero one thing for sure, yung appearance nun, yung kulay, kasi this one is white and then the other one is color black. Okay. So, we have here, yung kanyang paper tray. So, yung feed ng kanyang paper tray dito sa likod. And then, what else? Ito naman yung, medyo marami pang naka-tape. So, let's just try to loosen some of the tapes. To show, ito yung kanyang printer scanner. Nasa top part. So, meron pa pala yun, no? So, kapag i-arrange mo yung papel mo, no? Para mas maluwag. And then, yung kanyang scanner part is this one. Ano matanggal nito? Tanggalin natin ng diretso. Okay. Dito tayo sa gilid. Then let's take a look dun sa kanyang scanner. Shown here. So, at the top part, syempre, yung scanner. And then we have here yung main power switch, main power button, and then yung may dalawang icon dito. So, I think ito yung parang quick option if you wanted to print or to copy a black and white and then a color document. So, and then there's also a function button here. Hindi ko pa alam kung saan gagamitin, pero basahin na lang natin yung manual later. Okay. And ito yung kanyang cartridge. So, i-open mo lang siya, then naka-expose na rito yung kanyang cartridge, then from the ink, ito na gagamitin natin to refill. Dito na tayo magre-refill. Okay? Then, ito is for some maintenance, if you wanted to have an access dun sa kanyang print head or yung printer cartridge din. So, ito yun. Ito yung access doon. If you wanted to do some maintenance, and then I think maangat mo rin siya. Okay. So, pwede mo na rin siyang iangat para mas magkaroon ka ng wider or mas malawak na access dun sa loob ng inyong printer. So, just in case na may mga mag-stock man sa loob, iangat natin siya, tapos mas may ample space tayo to do yung checks sa loob. Then we also have here yung kanyang paper tray feed. Daming mga blue ribbons, blue stickers. Ang hirap niyang hatakin. Tanggal ng isa. Then, tanggal ng pangalawa. Ito yung kanyang front paper tray. Tanggalin lang po natin yung mga stickers kasi medyo hindi natin mahugot. Okay, so once you release yung mga stickers, so ito yung kanyang extended tray para once na natapos yung printer mo, so dito magre-rest yung paper. Okay, so you can extend it further by having this one, which also acts as a stopper. Okay, then ano pa ba? What else? Okay, tanggalin na natin to. Tanggalin na rin to. So, I think that's that's it most likely. So, sa rear part, so ito po yung access niya para dun sa kanyang power input. And then, ito naman yung nasa side naman din, yung parang, yung para sa USB cable naman na input. Okay? So, yun lang po. Just to show you the laman or yung printer at saka basic specifications ng EPSON L3216. So, maraming salamat po for tuning in and I hope you like this video. Thank you and God bless.